Hello everyone, my name is Chao, and I'm an international student. Today, after I read this book, The Nature of Value, How to Invest in the Adaptive Economy, I want to share something which is useful. First one, I want to say the misunderstanding of price. Price will not reflect its true value if people don't know the product totally. For example, you have a goose who likes golden eggs, but it looks like a normal goose. If you ask the people who how much they would be willing to pay for this goose, and they didn't realize the secret of the golden eggs, the answer would not reflect its true value. People were giving the price just like other gooses. Second one, price is influenced by many factors besides its value, like market expectations, people's knowledge, and so on. But they don't change the nature of value. And goods again. When people gives the low price, you would not sell the goods because you know it's not the true value of this goods. Following, the picture will explain more clear about price and value. Value is always as it would be, but price is changing depends on value and other factors, like the bull market will push the price up. And then value creation. Normally, we think that the action that increase the worth of goods, service, or a business, we call it value creation. So, how to create value? For one thing, the goods or service creates value by themselves. For instance, you have a dollar coin. Obviously, it's worth a dollar, but if it's a coin from 100 ago, it will be worth much more than a dollar because it's rural knowledge. However, it's not a good way we like to be. We want a way that can be controlled by ourselves, and innovation is the good choice of most organizations because innovation creates the new forms of value that drive economic growth. As in picture, there is a chair in the middle. But with innovation, each chair that's produced reflects an organization's knowledge of design and manufacture capabilities. And the most successful organizations are those that have adapted to be the most efficient at creating and capture customer value in the form of share purchases. The next level of the economic process is cluster, which is a competitive spaces in which firms fight for survival, like the niches within ecosystems. Firms within clusters compete with each other for resources and dominance. Every large economic cluster seen today started as a small set of limited capabilities created by opportunistic firms or entrepreneurs. While in young, growing clusters, organizations develop an array of capabilities to optimize returns from cluster of customers' demands. These strategies, strategies may work early on in picking up the easy customers rapidly. However, when as the cluster matures and organizations create more different offerings, competi- competitors will start bumping into each other as offering overlap, such as Coke and Pepsi. The differences become quite slight. Coke appeals to tradition, traditionalists and Pepsi aspires for youngs. They try to distance themselves from each other and avoid direct competition, which would harm both of them. However, only a few companies can survive during clusters because they have moats. They have moats. A moat is a competitive advantage that one company has over other companies in the same industry, as it and it has three trends. First, a unique mix of capability not shared by any competitor. Second, the ability to capture high margins using pricing power relative to competitors. Third, durability to survive over multiple competitive products or capability and economic cycles. If any one of the three is missing, there isn't a moat. The moat is more powerful, the form is more outstanding between competitors. The last thing before defining the nature of value is to understand the economy. The economy is the adaptive network of organizations and clusters that seek survival and growth. As it shows in picture, Innos supply the basic objects to organizations, like the oil in the vehicle, and organizations are the one who implements the all steps, like the engine, and the clusters are worked by organizations, like a flywheel, and the economy goes forward, like tires. Considering of the complex market, economy is unpredictable, but it has some trends. At last, after reading the whole economy, what is the nature of value? The nature of value is not a market price. It is measured by many factors through the whole industry. The internal and external value of goods or service is determined by organizations, clusters, and modes, and also is influenced by the whole economic development. Thanks for listening.